Hi, welcome to the Successful Esthetician YouTube channel. So today we're going to be talking about resumes. So the main thing with resumes is a couple things. One, your resume has to stand out from all the rest of the resumes that are coming in. Two, it has to be easy to read. If it's not clear, you're using very difficult to read fonts, the likelihood of that spa owner taking time to try to figure out what you're saying is very low. They're just going to toss it in the trash. So here are some tips on what you need to do for a resume that stands out from the rest. First one is try to get high quality paper. It doesn't have to be top notch, but don't get the flimsy paper. Get one that's actually has some texture to it and a little bit thicker. That way, when they have a whole pile of resumes, yours stands out just from a tactile point of view. It already feels different, so they're going to pull that one out from the pile. The second one is make sure you have easy to read font. Just a tad bit larger than your regular font, just so it would be easier to read. Try to avoid any scripts or cursive writing fonts. Third one is when you're doing your professional experience, try to add things that are related to the esthetician position, including customer service positions, public relations positions, volunteer positions, sales positions. These all indirectly relate to the esthetician position, especially if you are a first-time esthetician and you don't have any previous esthetician experience. Okay, so the other thing is to make sure that you have accurate start and finish dates of each of those positions held. Now here's a little extra thing that can help you stand out from the rest of the resumes. If I were you, I would get a very good headshot of you, just a small one like passport size, and attach it to your resume or have it printed on paper so that when they are seeing your resume, they actually see a picture of you. When you do the picture, make sure that you don't have too much makeup on, or the other one is that you don't look too washed out as well. Just a nice, professional, very appealing picture of you, so that stands out from the crowd. So that is the main emphasis of what you need to put on your resume. So if you want to get more tips, more tricks, more marketing strategies to increase your esthetician business or to help you get that first esthetician position, then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.